ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about the animals. What is it? It's a cow. Cow. What is it? It's a lion. Lion. What is it? It's an elephant. Elephant. What is it? It's a panda. Panda. What is it? It's a horse. Horse. What is it? It's a dolphin. Dolphin. What is it? It's a cat. Cat. What is it? It's a zebra. Zebra. What animal is it? It's a giraffe. Giraffe. What is it? It's a goat. Goat. What is it? It's a pig. Pig. What is it? It's a dog. Dog. What is it? It's a monkey. Monkey. What is it? It's a bear. Bear. What is it? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. What is it? It's a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. What is it? It's a squirrel. Squirrel. What is it? It's a tiger. Tiger. What is it? It's a turtle. Turtle. What is it? It's a koala.
Koala.
What is it? It's a bird. Bird. What is it? It's a butterfly. Butterfly. What is it? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. What is it? It's a frog. Frog. What is it? It's a chicken. Chicken. What is it? It's a snake. Snake. What is it? It's a deer. Deer. Thanks for watching.